The features of the console for the seated stepper. We have programs on the console. These are fitness programs mainly to begin with. We have 2 custom programs or user programs where you can build your own protocols and save them into these, a heart rate control program, and then a symmetry program. We're going to talk about the symmetry program because that's a unique feature on this product. When we go into symmetry and start the program, I'll just start it, we're able to measure a patient's left and right power in watts. Right now, as I push hard, and actually we'll see this graph showing your left and your right leg, you can actually press the symmetry key and be able to stop that from happening, and it'll turn into a track. But what I want to show is the power left versus right. I'm at level 10 here, so I have some resistance. If I am asymmetrical and I am pushing harder with my left leg, we can see I'm doing 30 watts on the left side, 20 watts on the right, and I get a graphical feedback that shows me that my left side has more power than the right side. So this is a good feedback for patients to be able to see how hard they're pushing with each side. This helps with asymmetrical patients to try to get them evened out. The feedback we get here is steps per minute, calories, time, total steps, and then pulse if you're wearing a chest strap or using the hand pulse sensors. We also have on the enter key, you can press the enter key and we'll be able to see the actual symmetry in a percent. So if I'm asymmetrical, let's say if I'm harder on the left side, we can see that I'm 8% more power, 29% more power on the left side than the right side. So we'll show the L there to indicate left side. If you press it one more time, we'll get a MET level that will show you how many METs that the patient is doing, which is a work rate. And then we're back to this display. So that is the symmetry program. But during any program, when I press start, for instance, and I'm in a constant resistance mode and just running, we increase the levels. We'll be able to see the watts. We can see the distance of the left and right pedal. So if I go short, it shows that. Again, if I hit symmetry, it'll turn that feature off. And we're getting a total step count. We're getting METs again. And we'll also see now also the segment time, or how many seconds are left in this column. And as you progress through the program, it'll count down each segment. This is a total time of the program. Those are the main features of the seated stepper. The setup feature on the machine allows you to set the seat position. You enter the user's height. In this case, it's in inches. I am 72 inches, so we'll leave it there. I press enter, and this is going to give me a seat position, 14, which I'm at, and a handlebar position of 10. And that basically will set the patient up to the proper position so they're not hitting the bottom of the stroke, and the handles and the feet are in the correct positioning.